Hello Jewels, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be doing a glueless install for all those ladies that want to preserve those beautiful edges, or if you just like to switch those wigs up every day. This unit is from My First Wigs affordable line. This is wigs for beginners, so very user friendly. I'll be using the lace elastic band. All details of the unit will be below. I also will not be laying down any baby hairs for this unit. I will be uploading another video for the same unit. This video will be a glue install, and I will be laying down baby hairs and sideburns and everything. But this video, I wanted to do something different, just to kind of give you an idea that you don't always have to glue your wig down to get a nice look. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you will be notified when I upload that new video and future uploads. Now this is me being extra. I'm just cutting some layers in here just to add some volume, just to make the wig look more full. This would also not affect any future styling because I'm not cutting off a lot of hair. Thanks for watching, Jules. Thanks for getting ready with me.